Monopoly Go. How to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to build a landmark. Landmarks must be 4 blocks of the same color. There is no cache or properties. Place all the landmark blocks in the game tray in the middle of the table. Mix up the chance tiles and place them face down on the table. Give each player a mini board and they pick one side to use. The colored corner spaces determine your color. Take a matching colored Monopoly head and place it on the start of your Mega Shutdown tracker. Give each player a reference card and token, which they place on their own board start space. Pick a player to go first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, roll all players' dice in the game tray. Now, each player simultaneously moves their token clockwise around their board as indicated by their matching color die. When you land on a color space, you must take a landmark block from the tray if possible and place it on an empty building spot on your board or a spot that has the matching color. If all your spots contain different colors, or if there are no more matching blocks in the tray, then you advance your Monopoly head right 1 space on your Mega Shutdown track. If you can take a block, then you must. You cannot skip taking one in order to advance your Monopoly head. If multiple players land on the same color, but there aren't enough blocks in the tray, then the first player to take it gets it. When you land on Go to Jail, then move your token to the in jail space, and your token does not move during the next dice roll. When you land here by another method, then you aren't in jail, but just visiting. When you land on free parking, then nothing happens. When you land on a bank heist, then you must wait until all players finish placing blocks. Then you challenge one opponent, and you each take a bank heist dial. Now, you each secretly choose one of its 3 images. Then reveal them at the same time. If you both picked the same image, then you get to steal any one block from their board and add it to your own or return it to the tray. If you picked different images, then nothing happens. When you land on a shutdown space, then you must wait until all players finish placing blocks. Then you activate a shutdown on any one player by removing a block from their board and returning it to the tray. If multiple players land on bank heist or shutdown on the same turn, then resolve the actions in clockwise order starting from the player who rolled the dice. If you land on Go, choose one of the following actions. Take any colored landmark block from the game tray, or try and pull off a bank heist, or activate a shutdown. If you land on chance, then take any one of the face-down chance tiles. There are 4 types of tiles, and once you use a tile, it is discarded face-up to a pile. The money bag tile must be used immediately. All the others can be kept and used later when you want. The money bag allows you to take any color block from the tray and add it to your board. If this is impossible, then do nothing. The shield protects you 1 time from a shutdown. It does not protect from bank heists or mega shutdowns. Mr. Monopoly allows you to move your Monopoly head 1 space to the right on your Mega Shutdown track. The Go button allows you to choose and perform any actions as if you had landed on Go. Once all the tiles are used, shuffle them face down to the table. On the turn, when your Monopoly head reaches the far right of your Mega Shutdown tracker, then, after everyone else has performed all their actions for the turn, you may choose any block color, and all the other players must discard all their blocks of that color to the tray. The first player to get 4 blocks of the same color stacked on top of each other immediately ends the game and wins.